Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use smart objects, the ins and outs of them, and really just cover the basics of them so you can use them effectively. Um, an example of a smart object is something like this. This is a mock-up that I had purchased on Graphic River to show off some business cards that maybe I would design for clients, etc. So just to show you how it works, they give you some content and they give you a smart object, and you can edit these. So I'm going to go ahead and edit the front side just so you can see what it looks like. And they give you this, and in the background, um, you're able to put your own content in here. So you can see I already have my information in there. I also have like a little example, and this is supposed to be foil, that's why I have the design in there. You can simply save this. And you can see that my logo just comes in there straight. I can also go in here and go in there and use my own little example. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to put this on there. And you can see that the smart art object allows you to really get in there and interact with it, and it allows you to organize in a nice way. If I want to go in here and maybe make a change, maybe I want to remove these white edges, I could go ahead and save it, and you can see that I actually just saved it in the background. Now that's how you use them, but now let's say you want to make your own. So I'm going to go ahead and delete some of these. And I'm going to make my own smart object that I want to manipulate. So what I can do is I'm going to go ahead and make a new layer. And I'm going to put these all in the top so it becomes visible. And I want to make this into my own little smart object. I can go in here, have this highlighted. I can click on layer up on the top. I know the video is not showing it because I didn't show my menu. But I can simply go up here, go to layer, go to smart objects, and convert to smart object. You can see that this little icon appears on my layer. Now when I double click this, you can see that it opens up into whatever the layer's named. Now I can go ahead and change this into my smart object. You can see that it comes up here. It's still layer number 1. And I'm going to say my business card and just put like a little really simple design together. And I'm going to put a background on this as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and save this. And you can see that my, sorry, wrong layer. I can save this, and you can see that my smart object is in here. Now I can go ahead and manipulate this a bit. And what's really cool about this is I can manipulate this and make it exactly perfect, maybe with like a little bit of a transform. Go ahead and get this perspective right. And of course, like I would get these edges to be a little bit more perfect. You can see that if I go ahead and open this, now I can use this without using any perspective and adjustments, and I can put whatever text I want. You can see that it puts the perspective on here already. That way I can make some cool changes. I can do whatever I want with my smart object on the surface without having to really work with an entire group, without having to worry about maybe some complex layers. Really add another level of organization to the mix. Now, there's one more way of inserting a smart object into your um, like picture. Now, let's say you have another PSD, you have another file, whatever it might be, you can go ahead and drag different images in here, and you can see that this is also now a smart object. So I can go in here and do the same kind of thing to this like light bulb image, and I'm going to distort this and make it look all weird. But now when I go in here and edit this, you can see that I edited it just the same. So it's the same kind of way. Now, because this is a PNG, it's a flat image, same thing with JPEGs or any just solid image, because it doesn't have layers in there, you can't save the layers. That's a disadvantage. You can fix that by simply dragging in a PSD, or by maybe flattening this image when it's dragged in and then saving a smart object, just as I did with like the layer smart object, convert to smart object. Anyway, this is a quick overview of how smart objects work in Photoshop, and I hope it helped. Talk to you soon. Bye.